that I thought was kind of interesting, like how you decide who you're going to send on a space mission. It's got to be able to like not go nuts from lack of human contact, that sort of thing.
Yeah, there's a lot to that. Absolutely.
And then like the sociological makeup of, and I'm not talking about like race and ethnicity. I'm talking about like personality style and character archetype almost of what you would need to make a successful colony. And so he did, I think it was Long Way from Home, I think, or Long Road Home, something like that.
Yeah,
was one of his books that was interesting in that concept. And he used cloning in a really weird, well, it's not so weird now, but at the time I'd never seen it before. Like the idea of that once the robots landed the spaceship on the planet, it built a habitat for these clones in a vat to be like lab grown peoples. And then it like created, I don't know, personality for them by like having them live in virtual simulation until they were ready to essentially be thought out. So they had a whole life while they were being, created, which was just
interesting.
fascinating. So, and it really, in the end, that whole story, not the story, but like the whole plan broke apart because one person chose to step outside of their box, so to speak, of what they were designed to do for this organization, which I thought was just interesting.
Yeah, I think anytime you're dealing with, excuse me, a larger kind of cast of characters like that, especially in a colonization, the Red Mars, Blue Mars, Green Mars series from Kim Stanley Robinson comes to mind. He had a lot of things that, different folks that were doing things and being disruptive, and it caused things to happen. If you look at what Andy Weir did with both The Martian and with Project Hail Mary, kind of the same thing. So it's an interesting way to get into really looking at how people and how characters would respond in a situation like that, and then just pulling the string and seeing where things can go. But yeah, I think those considerations would be huge for any type of long duration space flight.